If your LG TV isn't showing up in screen mirroring or AirPlay keeps failing to connect, you're not alone. This happens more often than you think, and most of the time it's caused by a small setting or network issue. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to fix it based on your situation. Let's start with the most common cause. First, make sure both devices are fully updated. On your TV, check that WebOS is running the latest software version. On your iPhone, confirm you're using the newest iOS update. Software updates often fix compatibility bugs that can stop AirPlay from working properly. Next, confirm that AirPlay is actually turned on. Open the Home Dashboard or Home Hub on your TV. Go to Apple AirPlay and HomeKit and make sure AirPlay is enabled. If it's already on, turn it off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. This refreshes the AirPlay service and can resolve detection problems. Now let's move to network-related fixes, because AirPlay depends completely on Wi-Fi. Both your iPhone and your TV must be connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. If one device is on a guest network or using mobile data, AirPlay will not work. Also, if your router has both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, make sure both devices are connected to the same band. If one is on 2.4 and the other is on 5, they may not detect each other. If needed, switch both to the other band and test again. If that didn't fix it, forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi on both devices. On your iPhone, go into Wi-Fi settings, forget the current network, and reconnect. Do the same on the TV. This refreshes the network handshake between devices. After that, restart everything. Restart your iPhone normally. Turn off the TV, unplug it from power for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. If possible, restart your Wi-Fi router too. Restarting clears temporary network conflicts and refreshes device discovery. Next, check the AirPlay setting on your iPhone. Go to Settings, then General, then AirPlay and Handoff. Make sure Automatically AirPlay is set to Automatic. This allows your phone to detect compatible TVs without manual intervention. Also check the location setting on your TV. Go to Settings, then General, then System, and open Location. Make sure the correct country is selected. Sometimes the wrong region can stop AirPlay from working. After checking or changing it, restart the TV. You should also test the IPv6 setting. Go to Settings, then Network, then Advanced Settings, and turn IPv6 on or off. Some routers do not handle IPv6 well, which can cause connection problems. After changing this setting, restart the TV and try AirPlay again. If you connected devices before using AirPlay or HomeKit, remove the old connections. Go to Apple AirPlay and HomeKit on your TV, delete the saved devices, and then connect your iPhone again from the beginning. Also, turn off any VPN on your iPhone because a VPN can block the local network that AirPlay needs to work. Keep in mind that some apps do not support AirPlay. If screen mirroring works in one app but not in another, that can be normal. At this point, you have checked all the common problems like software bugs, Wi-Fi issues, wrong network band, pairing errors, and VPN interference. In most cases, one of these steps fixes AirPlay and screen mirroring quickly. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Also, tell me in the comments if your TV is not showing up or if it fails when trying to connect. Thanks for watching.